Can I replace a thermostat without an electrician? Yes, many people can replace a thermostat themselves if the new one matches their system and they turn off the power first. A thermostat is like the little brain that tells your heating and cooling system when to turn on and off. If you can safely handle a screwdriver, read simple labels, and follow the instructions that come with the new thermostat, this is often a do-it-yourself job. The most important step is shutting off power at the breaker so you do not get shocked or damage the system. Before you remove the old thermostat, take a clear photo of the wires so you can put them back in the same places. Some thermostats use just a few low-voltage wires, and that is usually what makes the job easier. A less-known detail is that many newer thermostats need a common wire, often called a common wire, to stay powered all the time, and older homes may not have one. If your old thermostat has thick wires, high-voltage wiring, or controls electric baseboard heat, that is a different situation and should usually be handled by a qualified pro. The safest way to do it is to check the wiring type, match the new thermostat to your heating and cooling system, and test it after installation before closing everything up. A common mistake is assuming every thermostat works with every system, but some are made for gas furnaces, heat pumps, or electric heat only, so always check compatibility first. Another mistake is skipping the breaker, which can lead to shocks or a blown fuse, so turn power off and verify the thermostat is dead before touching wires. People also mix up wire labels or forget where the wires were, so take a photo and label each wire before disconnecting anything. If there is a wire you do not understand, do not guess, because one wrong connection can keep the system from working or damage the control board. If the old unit has more than a few wires, or anything looks unusual, that is a good sign to stop and get help. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back and offer their estimates.